every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 278th day of my challenge, where, if you haven't seen my previous video, yesterday I made panettone. My god, is that a glorious, glorious thing! I already think to myself that I'll make at least 3 for upcoming Easter, and maybe even more. I'll have to just calculate a little bit more. But today, considering that if you make a lot, you'll have some leftover. So what to do with that? Oh, but of course, some panettone French toast. So that's the recipe I'm gonna try today for the very first time. So if you're curious to see how it goes, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 4 slices of panettone, 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 30 grams of brown sugar, 15 grams of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and some powdered sugar. I realized that I totally forgot to mention that you'll see Bob a lot in this video. Who's Bob, you ask? Well, it's what appears my pet fly. I mean, it's been following me for a few days already. The room I go to, it follows, it likes to be around where I am and just sit on my shoulder or whatever. I refused to kill it and it just wouldn't go to the outside world, so be kind to Bob. So now on to the recipe. First, I'm gonna mix all of these ingredients. Basically, it's everything minus panettone and the butter. So this will be the mixture I'll dip the panettone slices in. So you want a shallow dish for that. So I'll take milk, heavy cream, brown sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and the eggs and just whisk everything together. Here's my little assembly. So I have a non-stick skillet here, which I'm gonna preheat over medium heat. Once it's hot, I'm gonna add the butter and then move on to the panettone slices. I'm gonna add them into this mixture and let them soak for 15 seconds on each side. So 15 seconds on one side, flip, and then 15 seconds on the other, and then transfer them directly into the pan and cook for 3 minutes on each side. I love the look of this or what? Okay, while with watering mouth I cut a piece of it, I'll just share one thought with you. I feel like whenever there are instructions for heat, you want to go a little bit lower just in case. Like, for example, this stove, I put it directly in the middle, but then I got a really deeply brown toast, which I don't mind, but I mean, if you're not careful, you might just, burn stuff. So that's all I have to say. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This is so good. I mean, panettone is divine. So, as I mentioned before, I don't think there's anything you can do with it to make it wrong. But this mixture is amazing as well. I feel like you could just take simple plain bread and you would also have a feast. Because it's summer, I love the fresh fruits. I'm not really sure how you're normally serving French toast. We didn't really have that growing up, so I mean, I feel like I can never go wrong with some fruits. So anyways, as this is still warm and I have my tea waiting, I'm such a happy person. This is actually my lunch. Don't tell anyone. So I'll just wrap it up. If you want to compare let me just turn to this side. If you want to compare how I did with Laura's original recipe, here's the photo there. I think it's pretty damn close. And if you want to watch her video, the link is there. Again, if you... This is just so beautiful. If you want the written recipe, that's what I wanted to say. Just check the description box down below because you will find it there in both American and the metric system. So even if you don't have panettone on your hands, I'd suggest trying this out. I mean, that mixture is a bomb. So if you do try it, let me know. As I'm losing gift of speech, I will be signing off. So thank you so much for watching. My God, it's like by the second I'm able to speak less and less, and I'll see you soon. Bye.